Hi friends, welcome to today's class. So today's question is 6 red balls are put in 3 boxes. Find the probability of putting balls in the boxes in equal numbers. Okay, so 6 red balls are to be kept in 3 boxes. So how to put 6 red balls in 3 boxes? We have to equally, okay, find the probability of putting balls in the boxes in equal numbers. So 6 red balls have to be kept in 3 boxes. What is the total number of ways? You have to go back to your concept of permutations and combinations. In that we have done a video how to distribute n identical objects to R groups. If we want to classify or we want to group n identical objects to R groups, how many ways of arrangement will be done? You can watch that video after this video. It will be given in the end screen. So the formula is n identical objects are to be divided into R groups. The total number of ways will be given as n plus R minus 1 C R minus 1. Okay, so this is the total number of ways in which n identical objects can be divided into R groups. For probability we need the total number of ways. So n plus R minus 1 C R minus 1. What is n here? Here n is equal to 6 and R is equal to 3. So 6 plus 3 minus 1 C 3 minus 1, that is C2. So 6 plus 3 minus 1 is equal to 8. So 8C2 is the total number of ways of arranging 6 red balls into 3 boxes. So they are 6 identical objects. Here all balls are red. So these are identical objects. Identical objects are to be divided into R groups. So 8C2 will be 8 into 7 divided by 1 into 2, which gives us 28. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. So our probability will be equal to 1 divided by 28. The second question from selection. A bag contains 15 tickets numbered 1 to 15. A ticket is drawn and replaced. Find the probability that first number drawn is even and second number is odd. So this is a very simple question. We are having 15 tickets and we are first drawing a ticket and then we are replacing it. So we have to find the probability to draw first number as even and second number should be odd. So 1 to 15, how many even numbers are there? 1 to 15 means 7 even numbers will be there and 8 odd numbers will be there. 7 even numbers and 8 odd numbers. So what is the probability of drawing an even number? It will be 7C1 divided by 15C1. And so we have to multiply. The probability means and is coming means we have to multiply, or is coming means we have to add. So here and second number is odd. First number drawn is even, so it will be 7C1 divided by 15C1, and second number is odd, so it will be 8C1 divided by 15C1. So what will be our answer? 7 by 15 into 8 by 15, which gives us 56 divided by 225. So what is our answer? 7C1 into 8C1 divided by 15 into 15. So it will be 56 divided by 225. It's a straightforward question, a selection question. First an even number is to be selected and then an odd number is to be selected. Thank you for watching.